Today I'm going to try Sabrett hot dogs in my Johnsonville sausage grill. How's that sound? Daryl gave me the idea. He was watching the sausage grill video and he said, I wonder how hot dogs would work in there. Well, today we're going to find out, Daryl. I got Sabrett's skinless beef frankfurters. And in the store I compared the length to them because they have longer ones, longer Sabrett's. And I compared the length to the Johnsonville sausages, and these are just about the same length. I'm going to put mustard and an onion on them. And remember, the Johnsonville sausage grill, well, first of all, it does little links, patties, and also the delicious sausage. And this is preset for whatever sausage you're going to put in here. Johnsonville brand, of course. So I don't know how that's going to work. Like, if it's not fat enough, it might not touch the top element because there's heating elements on the top and the bottom. But we're going to find out, right? And if they get too burnt, that's good. They're going to be rippers. We love them like that. I don't mind. How about you? All we're going to do, open them up and put them in. Look at that. They're not curved like the Johnsonville. But we're going to put a little curve on them. Watch. They got to be good, right? Right, Daryl? I wonder if you tried them yet. Look. See? I don't know if they'll stay, but when I close the lid, I might hold them in place. Close the lid. Nice. Alright. And now I just got to plug it in. Press the button. And it's preset for sausage. We can't change the time or the temperature because it's perfect for the Johnsonville sausages. Plug it in. Press the button. And we're going to wait. While I'm waiting, I'm going to chop up this onion, get my buns ready. It's going to be a fun experiment, right? It's going to be delicious. So this is another good use for your Johnsonville sausage grill. If you're lucky enough to have one yet. Oh, I'm starting to smell them. I'm starting to smell hot dogs cooking. You want to peek halfway through or just leave it? Just leave it and see what happens, okay? A couple pickles out too. Nice. Sabrett's. Hear sizzling? They do. Oh, I wish I could smell it. Get these pickles ready now. I really want to peek, but I know I shouldn't. Maybe it senses with the thickness of the sausage. Maybe it senses the doneness temperature, you know. But with the thinness of the hot dogs, maybe it'll still sense the heat in there. We'll see. I don't care if they're burnt. But I'm thinking it might be more done on the bottom than the top, unless the grill plate touches them both. I'm going to find out. Johnsonville, since 1945. This is a good midnight snack too, isn't it? Sure it is. It's been about 5 minutes. Sizzling, delicious aroma. Come on, I'm hungry. I just thought I could lay my buns on top and warm them up. How's that sound? Because it's warm up there. Yeah, that's warm. Good idea. Oh, yes. Right, the buns have been there for 2 minutes. Let's flip them over. Nice. Been about 8 or 9 minutes so far. I'm excited. I don't care if they're burnt. I'm eating them. How burnt can they be, right? We'll find out. They might be as brown as the sausages, but I love that. It's okay. Time to rotate the buns again. Beautiful. Come on, beep. I just remembered I didn't put slits in them. I like to put slices in my hot dogs when I put them on the grill or fry them. We're going to see. They might slit themselves open. It's going to be good. Remember, these are all beef. They smell delicious. Skinless beef frankfurters. Man, 150 calories per serving. It ain't bad. Oh, Yo. Okay. Beautiful warm buns. Nice. Are you all curious to look inside? Here we go. First time ever in my kitchen. The unveiling. Oh boy, look at that. They swelled up. They split a little bit. Oh, look. Look. Thanks, Daryl. Oh, they gotta be good. Oh my gosh. Oh, great idea. So if you don't have any sausage around and you got some hot dogs, do that. Perfect. All right, let's make room for my plate and my buns. Let's bun them up. It's a little bit bunny. There they are. Which one do I want? I want the Ripper. Look at that. Split beautifully. Perfect size for the bun. Little warm toasty bun there. I'm gonna take this one. Look at it. Look at that one split too. See? Daryl, did you try it yet? They all split a little bit. Oh, look at this one. I'm gonna take that one for my second one. Put that there. Anybody else want one?
Oh yeah.
Oh, somebody wants one.
I'd like to have one of those. They look great.
Put my pickle down like this. Put my pickle down like that. A little bit of onions. A little bit of onions. If you can't relish the fact of putting ketchup on your hot dog, don't do that. But I'm just gonna do this. Oh. And they're staying warm right now too, but I'm gonna unplug it. Oh, I gotta take a bite. I wasn't gonna take a bite on camera because I just washed my hair and I can't do a thing with it. But you have to see how good it might be. Oh. Thank you very much for the suggestion. Everybody go get your grill. If you ain't got no sausages. Alright, we're gonna finish these. How many do we have left? 3 more. How many do you want?
I'll just have one.
Well, good. We'll get some more.
Boy, it smells good in here. They look great.
We're getting ready to make some cookies. But we had to eat supper first. Try that. Please subscribe. Have a nice night. Have a good holiday season. Thanks again, Daryl. Talk to you soon. Oh, I gotcha. Oh, I'm going to have 3 more. Oh, 2 more. Oh, 3. I didn't count that one. All right. Come and get it.